dimension of imagination. It is an area which we call the twilight.
We are honored and excited to celebrate the 250th anniversary of the United States. This celebration at the historic Chellah reflects our deep friendship with Morocco, the first country to recognize America's independence. Our partnership continues to grow across numerous fields: diplomacy, security, trade and investment, educational and cultural exchange. From Tangier to Dakhla, we stand together.